Welcome back. Today we are checking out 20 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets that make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. From smart tools to clever hacks, these picks are absolute game changers. All links are in the description. Let's kick things off with number 1. At number 1, the Desen Electric Warming Tray, a smart kitchen tool that keeps your food warm and ready to serve. Perfect for parties, buffet, or family dinners, it saves time by keeping dishes at the ideal temperature. Its large surface fits multiple plates, it's easy to clean, energy efficient, and prevents food from cooling too quickly. A must-have for anyone who loves hosting or just hates cold meals. Number 2, the Everloop 2-tier electric food steamer, a quick and healthy way to cook your meals. Its dual-tier design lets you steam vegetables, fish, or dumplings simultaneously, saving time and countertop space. Steaming preserves nutrients, flavors, and textures better than boiling. Easy to use, energy efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier without extra effort. Number 3, the Lord Life Food Warming Mat, a simple yet clever way to keep your meals warm without reheating. Perfect for breakfast, dinner, or coffee cups, it maintains the ideal temperature for your food and drinks. It also prevents food from cooling too fast, reduces the need for repeated microwaving, protects delicate dishes from heat damage, and keeps beverages cozy while you work or relax. Lightweight, portable, and energy efficient, it's perfect for home, office, or even small gatherings. Number 4, the Home Intuition Hanging Fruit and Vegetable Basket, a smart way to organize your kitchen and save counter space. It keeps fruits and veggies fresh by improving airflow, prevents bruising, and makes everything easy to access. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for small kitchens, pantries, or even as a decorative touch. Number 5, the Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker, a fun and easy way to make delicious cake pops, donuts, or mini treats at home. Its non-stick surface ensures perfect results every time, while the compact design makes it easy to store. Quick, mess-free, and kid-friendly, it's perfect for parties, desserts, or a sweet snack anytime. Link in description. Number 6, the Compost Oil Sprayer for Cooking, a convenient and healthy way to control the amount of oil you use. Perfect for salads, baking, grilling, or sautéing, it evenly distributes oil to enhance flavor while reducing excess fat. Refillable, easy to clean, and durable, it's a must-have for anyone looking to cook smarter and healthier. Number 7, the Jurian Vacuum Sealer, a smart way to keep your food fresh longer and reduce waste. It seals bags tightly to lock in flavor and prevent freezer burn, making meal prep, bulk cooking, and sous vide easier. Compact, easy to use, and efficient, it's perfect for busy kitchens or anyone who wants fresher, longer-lasting ingredients. It also saves money by reducing spoiled food, helps organize your freezer and pantry, and keeps leftovers safe and flavorful for days. Number 8, the Blitz Home Sous Vide Machine, a precision cooking tool that helps you achieve perfect results every time. It cooks food evenly at a controlled temperature, locking in flavor, nutrients, and juiciness. Ideal for steaks, chicken, fish, and vegetables, it's easy to use, energy efficient, and a must-have for anyone who loves restaurant-quality meals at home. Number 9, the 4L Electric Composter for Kitchen, a fast and eco-friendly way to turn your food scraps into nutrient-rich compost. It reduces waste, eliminates unpleasant odors, and makes recycling kitchen scraps effortless. Perfect for fruits, vegetables, coffee grounds, and eggshells, it's compact, easy to use, and ideal for anyone who wants a greener, more sustainable kitchen. It also minimizes trips to the outdoor compost bin, saves space in your garbage, encourages environmentally friendly habits, and produces rich compost perfect for plants and gardens. Number 10, the Enchanted Glass Teapot, a stylish and practical way to brew your favorite teas. Made with heat-resistant glass, it lets you watch your tea steep perfectly while retaining flavors and aromas. Easy to pour, clean, and handle, it's ideal for daily use, entertaining guests, or creating a relaxing tea ritual at home. Link in description. Number 11, the Desen Electric Hot Dog Roller. A fun and convenient way to cook hot dogs, sausages, and snacks evenly every time. Its rotating rollers ensure perfect cooking without burning, making it ideal for parties, game days, or quick family meals. Compact, easy to clean, and hassle-free, it's perfect for busy kitchens or anyone who loves quick, delicious snacks. Number 12, the Jurian Stainless Steel NonSlip Mixing Bowl. A versatile and durable kitchen essential. Its non-slip base keeps it steady while mixing, whisking, or tossing ingredients, and the stainless steel design ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for baking, meal prep, and cooking, it's easy to clean and lightweight, making your kitchen tasks quicker and more efficient. Number 13, the Cookment Meat Tenderizer. A simple yet powerful tool to make your meat juicy, tender, and flavorful. Its ergonomic design makes pounding easy and reduces hand strain, perfect for steaks, chicken, and pork. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, it's a must-have for home chefs who want restaurant-quality meat at home. It also speeds up cooking prep, enhances marinades absorption, ensures even cooking, and makes every dish taste professional. Number 14, the Immersion over-the-sink dish drying rack. A space-saving and versatile solution for drying dishes, utensils, and even fruits and vegetables. It fits over most sinks, drains directly, and keeps your counters clutter-free. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, it's a must-have for anyone who wants a more organized and efficient kitchen. It also improves airflow for faster drying, reduces water buildup on countertops, and makes everyday kitchen cleanup easier and more convenient. Number 15, the Desen Electric Hot Pot. A convenient all-in-one appliance to boil, cook, and warm your favorite meals quickly. Perfect for soups, noodles, hot chocolate, and more, it heats evenly, saves time, and keeps your kitchen tidy. Compact, easy to use, and safe, it's ideal for busy mornings, quick dinners, or college dorms. Number 16, the Vivo Home Stand Mixer. A powerful kitchen essential that makes mixing, whipping, and kneading faster and easier. It handles everything from cake batter to bread dough with less effort, saving you time in the kitchen. Perfect for baking and meal prep, it delivers consistent results, reduces hand mixing, and makes cooking more convenient. Durable, efficient, and a must-have for any home baker. Number 17, the Candida 4-cup egg frying pan. A smart pan that makes breakfast quicker, easier, and more organized. Its divided design lets you cook multiple eggs, pancakes, or small foods at the same time without mixing flavors. It saves time, improves portion control, reduces mess, and makes cooking more convenient. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for busy mornings. Number 18, the Chula Handheld Immersion Blender. A quick and convenient tool for blending soups, sauces, smoothies, and more in seconds. Its handheld design makes it easy to use directly in pots, cups, or bowls, reducing extra dishes and cleanup. It saves time, improves blending efficiency, and makes food prep faster and smoother. Lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for everyday cooking. Number 19, the Sprout Suction Plates with Lids. A smart mealtime solution designed to keep food in place and reduce mess. The strong suction base helps prevent spills, while the included lids make storage simple and convenient. Perfect for kids and everyday use, they save cleanup time, keep meals organized, and make feeding easier. They also help with portion control, support self-feeding, and reduce food waste by keeping leftovers fresh. Practical, reusable, and family-friendly. Number 20, the Theo Paper Towel Holder. A simple but useful kitchen essential that keeps your paper towels easy to grab and neatly in place. It helps save counter space, keeps your kitchen more organized, and makes cleanup faster and more convenient. It also allows quick one-handed tearing and keeps the roll secure so it doesn't unravel easily. Sturdy, practical, and perfect for everyday use. All the links are in the description below. Like and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds.